It's me again, Madam Pong. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm very much excited today because this is my first tutorial video. I hope you guys will stay with me till the end of this video. And I promise you, you will learn something new today. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Okay guys, before we start, make sure to download and install the first PixArt and photo and picture resizer from Play Store. Open your browser, for me it's Google, then type channel art template. After that, choose any of the items like this one here. Then click and download image. Okay, it's done. Now, close your browser, then slide down notification. Take note of this dark gray area and make sure to remember because this is where we will put our backgrounds. Okay, now for the second step. Open up PixArt on your phone. Click the plus sign, then select Channel Art Template from the gallery. Perfect! From the Options template, down, choose Add Photo. Then select any background you like. For me, I prepared this simple plain background. Now we have our own background over the template. Let us now adjust its size to fit our template and make sure we are covering that area. Now we can click Next. In the Options palette, again, click the box with the letter T for text. Then, type your channel name, Madam Pong. Now we can choose the font style here. There are many more options here, but I have leave them up to you to discover and experiment it for yourself. Let us now add another line of text. So click T, text box again, and type your channel description, like for example, lifestyle, shopping, food and travel. Let us do the same as before. But now I am choosing white for the color and black for the stroke. Okay, done. If we are happy with this now, we can save our work to our gallery and proceed with the third step. Now, let us open Photo and Picture Resizer. Select Photos, Downloads. Open up the image we created earlier. Then click this symbol to resize. Now, scroll down to show more. Then choose 2560 by 1443. Then click OK. Wait for it to resize, then save. Let us open our Google Chrome from your mobile device. Then search for your YouTube. Now, if YouTube account is already open, click thumbnail logo on the right top, then select your channel. Click the edit button, then choose the image we save in the phone gallery. Click select, then a new image box appears. If you are fine with the appearance of your new channel art, then click select Then we are done.
Okay guys, I hope you have learned something new today. Click and subscribe to support my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell for more of my future video. Till next time, bye bye!